Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Debbie with Debbiej's Crafting Corner, and today I'm going to show you how to make these creepy metallic look embellishments for your cards. This is a technique that I've been meaning to try out probably for about a year or so, and the reason it turned out a little creepy is that I did something to them that I probably shouldn't have, but I love the effect that it had. So what I'm doing is I'm using on a couple of die cuts that I cut out of some black cardstock. I'm covering them in Platinum Planet Dewdrop ink, and then I'm going to be covering them with ultra embossing powder from Ranger. Now this ultra thick embossing powder, I had not used it before. I saw a video from Lindsay the Frugal Crafter a while back, and she did some awesome things with it, so I did want to give it a try. I just never got around to trying it. So here I'm just covering it with that ultra thick embossing powder. It is a lot thicker than regular embossing powder, so it's real chunky, and you have to be careful when you're heating that. I used my heat tool from Ranger, the heated craft tool, to melt this heavy-duty embossing powder. You'll see that it's melting and turning into just a liquid molten plastic. It looks just so gorgeous there. So once that was all melted, I decided to cover it a second time, and I'll melt that one more time to give it an extra thick coating. I'm not sure that it actually needed 2 coats, but I still love the way that this turned out. It has a really, really thick coating of that embossing powder. Once they had time to cool, I did notice that each of the embellishments were a bit warped, so I decided to run them through my die cut machine to straighten them out. Didn't work too well because it's kind of smushed some of that coating, and that's what really gave up that really cool different type of effect you can see here. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and remember, if I can make it, you can too. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.